Today we will make blueberry oat crumble bars. For these bars, we need all-purpose flour, raw oats, light brown sugar, baking powder, salted butter, and vanilla extract. You can use medium or big bowl. You mix raw oat, all-purpose flour, baking powder, light brown sugar, and you mix well. Then you add the butter and vanilla extract, and then later you mix well until all the dry ingredients are coated with the butter. I use 22 by 22 cm baking pan and pour half of the oat mixture into the baking pan. You can use 20 by 20 cm or 8-inch baking pan for these bars. Then you press with the back of the spoon for making flat. After you finish this, set aside and we will make the filling. For making this filling, we only need fresh blueberry, cornstarch, and lemon zest. Mix all the filling ingredients together, and then later you mix well until all blueberries are coated with the cornstarch. Spread the blueberry mixture over the oat. Then you sprinkle with the reserve of the oat mixture over the blueberries. Preheat your oven 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit and you bake this for 40 until 45 minutes, depend on your oven. This just smells good and tastes really good. Trust me, I make this many times. You can cut this bar into small squares and keep in the airtight container and store in the fridge for 4 until 5 days. Enjoy this delicious and healthy dessert. I usually eat this for my breakfast. Thank you for watching. See you for the next recipe. Take care. Bye.